In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to get started using the word cloud. I'm in Tally here. Click on your content, change the type of question or slide to word cloud. Enter your question. Down here you have your options. You can change the amount of words that you can allow the users to enter. By default it's 1, but if you want to change that, simply do that by entering it manually or using the up-down arrows. The results will show up live unless you choose otherwise. You have a variety of different color templates to choose, and it will update when you choose a different one here in the preview slide. You have a variety of different fonts you can choose from. You can choose to change your font from bold to normal, and you can also change the orientation of your text. Let's take a look at this in a live session. I'm here in simulated mode here, and I've added 20 simulated participants, and this is what the end result will look like. And you can hover over any of these words and see, in this case, we had 4 people choose trustworthy of the 20. Well, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.